Fix it, trash it, change it, mail, upgrade it, chart it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, cut it, paste it, save it, load it, check it, quick rewrite it, plug it, play it, burn it, rip it, drag it, drop it, zip and zip it, lock it, fill it, call it, find it, view it, code it, jump and lock it, surf it, scroll it, pose it, click it, cross it, crack it, switch, update it.
I have my hand over it too. Did y'all see us on camera? You're like, oh, what are they doing? They can't be doing that here.
Yeah, just remember if you go anywhere out near an airport, it's federal property.
Okay.
They're extremely strict.
How's like a civilian supposed to know, really? That's the only thing, like how am I supposed to know, like, what my right is, as far as, like, you know, being able, what I can film and what I can't film, and that type of thing. Like, I wouldn't know, and they're like, oh, you're supposed to ask, but I guess the assumed thing is, I always assumed that everything is, like, as long as you can get on there. Yeah,
she's getting in
recording now.
Very good, thank you.
No problem, sir. Yeah, I don't want to get in trouble. Okay, I'm gonna stop it.
Okay.
And rewind it. Let's see how much of it.
I can't erase that tape. I just got very calm, but I was like, I can't erase that tape because there's another project I worked on for 7 hours the day before. That's a problem. He's like, okay, well, alright, you won't comply. I was like, well, you won't let me finish what I'm saying. Like, I won't comply, but you won't let me finish what I'm trying to tell you. And he went over to Kate and they started talking, and Kate looked really, really worried. So I got really worried. Her skin got very red and her face looked so sad, and the security guard, the female, kept looking at me, and I was like, oh, they're erasing the entire tape. But I couldn't do anything about it because I knew that I would be seen as irrational and not complying, so they would just take me in and I'd probably get arrested. It was really traumatic, and I wanted to maybe do the project somewhere else, but I just decided that it wasn't worth it. I didn't want to do it the first time, but I did do it the first time. Worked up the courage to do it, and I sat down and I was ready for it, and then got cut off in this terrible, mean way. Like, this is how you treat a fellow American, like, that's doing something stupid, but we weren't hurting anyone. To illustrate the fact that he didn't even ask for our names when he was talking to Kate, I'm not even sure if he knew what her name was. He was saying, yeah, that one over there told me she didn't go to school. As if, I don't know, like, you know better than that. Like, you know I probably do go to school and I am doing this project, but I didn't want to tell you I was doing a project because I thought that would take away from the message. But I feel like the message has changed. I mean, yes, our relationship to technology, like, they were so quick to come at us. Like, someone somewhere was watching, called everybody, everyone came to hang out and fix this problem, these two girls with this problem. But I feel like there was no connection made with anyone, any of us. Like, no one knew anyone's names, no one knew why we were there, no one knew any boundaries. I mean, they knew their boundaries apparently, but we weren't aware of our boundaries. Like, I found out later on that I'm not even sure if they were even allowed to take our tape. Society isn't coming closer, it's coming further apart, becoming more impersonal. And this was an awful project. It wasn't very fun at all.
It just goes to show you that they can't control technology. They can try, but things are getting sleeker and sleeker that they're not going to be able to.
No, eventually you're not going to be able to see the camera. It's going to be so small that you can't even tell where it is.
I wouldn't have let them take that tape. I would have gotten tased.
No, I thought about running too. I was like, maybe we could run. Because I thought about it and I was like, well, I'm a really slow runner. And I know that they would make some more phone calls and they would find us outside in the parking lot. You had to be really, really fast and know where you were going. But we didn't plan that far because all we planned for was do this, get cut off, pick up your shit and leave. That was what I planned for, and that was not what happened. But maybe if there is a next time, there'll be a better plan.